History of the English language and literature. Mi- Middle English. Introduction. Object. The Middle English period. Meaning of the terms. Early Middle English period. 111 to 1100 1220 12500 AD हम लोग पढ़ने इंट्रोडक्शन मिडल इंग्लिश इनका इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया इन द यूनिट्स यू स्टडीज units now you have learned about the different period in the history of English language. There are difference in opinions among scholars about the action demarcation of different period in the history of the English language. Most of them agree with the diversion of the history of English language into three periods as you known. They are known as Old English 450 1100 AD, Middle English 1100 career से 1500 AD and Modern English 1500 AD से above. We have seen in the period unit that the Anglo-Saxon dialects formed the basic of the language we now know as Old English. There are many texts of poetry written narrating the history of wild battle and heroic journey of the Anglic Angelic tribes. Middle Middle English was a form of the English language spoken and written in the 11th century. This approximate period of 300 to 400 years in the history of English language and literature marked that development of the English language from Old English to a developing new language with a change in its grammar, pronunciation, spelling, and borrowing words from other languages like French and Latin. This period in the life of the English language also marked a change between the Old English and Modern English. The English which was Old Germanic in this characteristics in this sound spelling grammar and vocabulary. After this period we have a language displaying very different kind of structure and many other change in each of the years. Driving word as an influence of the French following the normal conquest of 1060 years drive characteristic. It is very much important for a student of literature and the English language to now this period changing considerable and unified and standardize Old English into various regionally variants and ultimately establishing the standards of London dialects, forming the basis of modern English in succession. Object this unit of Middle English period has been designated to fulfill the following objects to familiarize you with the three major periods from the history of English language. The acquaintance your with the Middle English period can canonically and even future with in introduct you to the Middle English period language to enable you to know none the influence borrowing and the overall change that occurred in the language during the Middle English period to encourage you to understand the times of transition in the English language during the Middle English period to inform about the major contributor to the growth of the English language during the Middle English period. Middle English period, as we have already seen, the Middle English period is around regularly from 150 and then with give us an idea of the event after the conquest of 1000 1060 and the French influence on the English language, people's administration and literature as will by the end it marks social, political, economical, and cultural influence of the English Reformed with many more advancement technological in England in the late 50th century, meaning to the term the Middle English is a period in the history of English language and literature, and the term has been defined variation in different sources. Let us look at a few of them. According to Calling English Dictionary, Middle English in British English is the English language from about 1100 to 40 and 50. The main dialects are country's southwestern west section, East Midland, which replaced West section as the chief literary form and developed into modern English. West Midland and North and from which the Scott of Lowland, Scotland and other modern dialects developed. Western new words college dictionary defines Middle English in American English as the English language written and spoken between 1100 and 1500, preceded by Old English and followed by early modern English. It is characterized by the loss of Germanic gender and most of the inflection ending of Old English by the emergence of a syntax based on word order and function words by the simplification of the pronunciation system and by extensive vocabulary borrowing from French, Latin, and Low German sources. David Crystal in his article Language of Voice published by British Liberal State Middle English, a period of roughly three 300 years for around 1150 century to around 1450 is difficult to identify because it is a time of transition between two years that each have a strong definition. Old English and modern English. Before this period, we encountered a language which is chiefly Old Germanic in its characters, in its sound, spellings, grammar, and vocabulary. After this period, we have a language which displays a very different kind of structure with major change having take place in each of these areas. Many deriving from the influence of French, following the norms conclusions of early Middle English period. The early Middle English period is the era within the Middle English period around for 100 to 1100 to 2040. This is the period when old English system of written was very much in us. Soon after the conclusion, the use of the English language become very much popular as a local local elements in on a social scale with us and policed manner to complete with the French culture and language the natural change occurs in trade of pronunciation and word structure in English under ultimately influence in the post conclusion period. English mostly remained the of period of its ancestral angle section. The conclusion somehow resulated in the management of Middle English dialects. The vices lost its political and cultural importance due to the conclusions with its dialects west section. Another dominant literary language lost its prestige with the growing use of French in the coast as well as in the aristocratical hence the English written had no other options than using to use their own regional dialects during the early Middle English period, and ultimately this provide beneficially in adding into to the value of English by the end of this period. Before the influence of Reformation, the Middle English period was also under the influence of French and the French language, like and other countries of Europe in the 11th century. The immediate effect of the conclusion was to dispraise the courses of English literature considerably. David this in a critical history of English literature. By the that time, French had become the language of the upper classes for more than the first 2 centuries after to conclude. So we see two opposite versions in England, first being French and second English literature during this period was mostly oral guiding and instructing peoples in biblical happenings and their role in persevering religions throughout the individual duties for a better life. The literature produced during this period by the aristocratic class or number the quarterly quarterly patrons was French both in this tone and tense. This this important contribution of literature during the early Middle English period is also known as Anglo-French literature in English. Much of this literature, like other literature, was relation and deduction in nature, which with a few exceptions in the form of strictly literary interest. Robert Grosse test ports why was the bishop and another famous translator of Geoffrey Monmouth Latin history of the kings of Britain. We also introduced the Arthur Tales with his famous round table are the major contribution in this period. Future men works, poems, Roman B. Broth was translated into English by Linus. The famous Arthuric story come on of English literature screens with these contributions. The Romans and very story were written for oral interaction purpose based on folk learn folk on mostly with supernatural elements in its days very were of eclectic origin, but derived from both Wales and Britain source. The famous author other was Bro in France, but wrote in England for King Henry. Henry II, less to King Henry II, was Mary B. D. French. This literature throughout written in French, but needs special attention for its identity, being brought out of French and much away from phrase is the opinions of scholars in literary history. When France was thus gaining grounds, what happened to the Anglo-Saxon traditional of written in English? Seek attendance throughout small poems, limiting the loss of English as a language. No is a fellow France and pet flock is for land. No be played be flow the Netflix and a flow of pen lor lor pennies law speak and pet for and for the mid in West section now is this is teaching abundant and the people and laws now it is a man of other language that teach other peoples and many of the teachers and people as we will teachers this alliterative varies appeared more close to its ancestrally or origin in Anglo-Saxon, despite the old other influence on the English language. This relationship with the oldest traditional of English could be trade in religious and deduction literature of this period easily thus with the concludes the Roman Empire also come to an end culturally with which the heroic age of English language and literature also got replaced by a new ago of sophistication led by the French, a new civilization names characters. Christian civilization had been changing the identity of Europe and stabilizing it both in life and later. This will talking about the transformation of the English and Europe as a will during the Middle English period. Say New Europe of the Middle Age was not a heroic society in the strict historical association, but a federal society with its one conversation of several honors and obligation. It's one kind of literally patronage and it's one's social conditions breeding it's one view of the relation between the sex the true follow following period of the French literature and culture began during this year, making a contact with the will of Europe. The Central Middle English period period, the century Middle English period, 1250 से 1400, the center, the central Middle English period marks the future development in the history of Middle English from about 2050 1400 as we have seen in the early Middle English period, the Norman rules, the emergence of the French-speaking middle class, the influence of French over Old English as an official language, and the language of elite class English reduced to a third language. In this one hand, still it was a largely spoken language, but a sorry of neglected and isolated feelings among English-speaking population, force back to the U.S. of trade, local dialects of Old English, the and dialects as pre-relation during this period were northern, middle, southern, and southern and can think these were the natural development from the old English in the during period. Many local uses and dialects also give up three was the Sudan is in the use of three dialects by its popular population, both for route propers and for corrective intervention in the encouraged manner. By this times, the two famous university, Oxford and Cambridge, were founded in England in 167 and in 2009 respectively, which contributed in the general literacy of people due to the look of printing technology. During this period, books were costly. London being the largest city at the time remained at the center for both its commercial and political activities. This ultimately resulted in the followership of the East Midland and London dialects. Other local uses were left behind due to the lack of social structure in absence of students over the class using English as a language for runs Proper's in the majority was of uneducated passage. Naturally, the grammatical complexities and influences of Old English gradually disappeared will dealing with the change that occurred in the English language during this period. An article of the on the history of English record by the 14th century nouns gender had almost completed deal out and adjective which once had up to 11 difference in inflection we reduct to just two for singular and plural and often in practice just on us in modern English the pronouns stressed which in old English was usually on the lexical root of the word generally shifted to the beginning of the word which future encourages the gradually loss of suffixes that had begun after the Viking invasions and many wells developed into the common English use unstressed as in inflection separated words order become more important and by the times corrects the model English subject verb object word order had gradually becomes the more and as had the use of preposition instance of verb inflection when these very minor natural change were taking place at the grassroots level in the use of English during the period. Some political events also contributed in abundance in making English as a language. French of England the 100 years we against French we against 37 153 in a y in a in in why branded French as a language of the enemy in the English speaking region. As a result of this, the strength of English rose. The black death of 30 and 49 say 50, which calculate nearly one third of England population that included many Latin-speaking peoples, closely also in Hawaii. Clearly, the part of the English language in the post-place period, the English-speaking clause of about trade and merchants grow remarkable in the social and economic venture. When this period also wiped out the linguistic division between the nobility and commons. Soon after the structure of 3062 arrived, English became the official language of the courts and the party, par, pa- parliament that some years it was three became the king of England. He addressed the parliament in English, which had a very different influence. This was a decisive and emotional moment for the speakers of English. Soon after, in 3085, English became the language of instruction in the school. Opinion doors of ignorance opinions to this language and its speakers. There are remarkable literary contribution during this period. The group of eco- econ- econ- accomplished alliterative poems written during the 14th century appeared on the some. These include romance, religions, people, satirical, and allegorical works. The famous period programs we are satiric whereas the remarkable and brilliantly written allegorical letters of Sir Gawain and the Greek kinds were Romans. Among the famous religions poems written during this period were Persians, partly and perhaps these poems was one of the most skillfully written and interesting piece of the religions poem during the Middle Ages. The first of the three poems was a sermon on the virtue of parents throughout the story of John's and the last on is an an elegy on the trait of the poets Drought and all grades of characters fit